You're gonna stand up? Or you're just gonna eat the mesh? Ah. What are you gonna do? Ah. What are you gonna do? Come on up. Come on. Come on. You can do it. What are you doing up here? Come on up here. Gotta go up. Up, up, up. There he goes. Yay! Good job, honey. Good job. Now you gotta walk those feet in. Gotta walk those feet in. Yeah. There he is. Yes, that's my smart boy. He loves to smush his face into the mesh. It's quite adorable. And he's up. Yay! Yay! Well done. A big smushy? Oh. Look at him. He's all the way up. Yay! He's all the way up. Now the trouble begins. Yeah! I'm gonna send that one to Grandma. Oh, and everyone, of course. Boom! Down he goes. Woohoo! He usually cries when he falls down. You shouldn't cry. That's not even a fall. No, it's not even. Just come right for me. Run! Run! Oh no! He's just too quick. He's just too quick. Rory, you're just too quick. Aren't you? Uh-oh. He's decided he wants my shirt. Hello, baby. What are you going to do? I think he's going to climb Mount Mommy, and I'm going to have a hard time videoing that. Where are you going? You stand up. No idea what I'm videoing right now. Say bye-bye, Rory. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.